Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it's that time of the month again. My Ipsy bag came. So I only did like partial makeup because I thought instead of swatching everything on my hand, I would actually like apply the items on my face for you guys. So with the Ipsy membership, there is like an app that you can download. So on the app, you get sort of a rundown on like what items you got. So I was able to look through and see what items I was getting so that I could obviously not use those items on my face so that I could show you guys what I got. So it always comes in this really fun pink package, which I love. And the first thing I noticed when I opened this up, I haven't actually opened the little bag yet, but I noticed that there's some masks that didn't fit in the little Ipsy bag. So these are, it says 5-minute facial mask with tea tree oil, rosehip extract, and vitamin C, and it says it enhances radiance, minimizes pores, and even skin tone. So this is a prep mask. They're sheet masks. I love sheet masks. So what you do with this is you apply it to your skin before you do your makeup. So usually you're doing a mask like at the end of the day when you've taken your makeup off. So this is a primer sheet mask that boosts facial texture, minimizes pores, and even skin tone while prepping the skin for a flawless makeup application in just 5 minutes. So I'm excited to try those. I always love trying a new sheet mask. I got a couple of charcoal ones with my December Ipsy bag and I loved them. I think there was 2 of them and I just used the last one the other day and they were great. So I do love a sheet mask because they're so easy. They're not messy. You're not like wiping a bunch of stuff off your face. So this is the bag for the month. It sort of looks like lingerie. It is, you know, Valentine's Day tomorrow. I'm probably not going to post this until next week, so Valentine's Day will have passed by the time I post this. So they always come with a little card, and this one says unzipped, so it says being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. Anyways, I won't read the whole thing because I'm a slow reader. So this is the bag. It's really cute. I actually have had the January bag in my purse with like my hair elastic and some lip gloss and some more lip gloss, and they had put a mascara in last month's bag. I think it was last month's bag. Anyways, I popped that in my purse, which I haven't used because I didn't like this. Just FYI for you guys. Not the good mascara. So this month we have a different mascara. So this one is by the brand Pur, which I really like that brand. So I'm excited to try this. It's the Fully Charged mascara. So we'll give that a whirl. I don't have any mascara on right now. And so this is a highlighter, Radiant Glow highlighter. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is the packaging. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Adorable. So cute. Oh, it's beautiful. So this is a really nice sort of coppery champagne colored highlighter. So we'll give that a try in a couple of minutes. There's another Luxe Beauty brush in here. So in the December bag, we got... Sorry, find it in my giant jar. So in the December bag, we got this Luxe 239 shader, precision shader brush. And this is the same kind of thing. It's a little bit larger. So that's the precision shader on one end, but then on the other, oh, pause, oops, sorry, my battery's low. On the other end, we have this sort of blending brush. So it's a double-sided. These are great, I think. I love that they put brushes in the bag. I'm always into new brushes, more brushes, and this will be a great one for me for travel because you'll have your shader on one side and your blender on the other. So I'm excited about that. And then the last thing in the bag is some eyeshadows. So this is the first little palette I've gotten. Otherwise, I've only gotten like individual eyeshadows. I hate when there's tape on it because I have nails. If I can get it open, we're just gonna tear into it. The brand is called Pacifica, And I think this brand is available at Ulta, which we actually don't have here in New Brunswick. I'm not sure if there's Ultas elsewhere in Canada, but definitely not in this area. Although I did recently learn that we're getting a Sephora here, which was very exciting because it was like a 2-hour drive to the closest Sephora. Oh my gosh, I'm butchering this packaging. I got it. Okay. So this is the shadows right here. So I'll open it up because there's a lot of glare there. Oh my gosh, more tape.
Okay,
Hold on,
get into it.
I'm just going to throw this away. Who uses those? So there it is there. So it's a really cute, there's some purples here, and then sort of a neutral, almost plummy color, and then some coppers and browns over here. So I'm excited to try that. I've got a little purple tank top on today. So I think I'm going to use the purple colors, and I'm just going to do something really simple because I don't want this video to be long, but I did want to be able to actually swatch these on my face for you guys to see. I hit that damn camera stand again. Sorry guys. Eventually I'll get used to this whole setup, or perhaps I need to set it somewhere else so it's not so close. Charlie's sleeping behind me again. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm just going to apply a little bit of primer to my lids. I don't even have a mirror. I'm just using the monitor. There's a mirror. There, that's better. So I thought this might be like a cool way to show the Ipsy items rather than just like pulling them out of the bag and being like, here's what I got. I thought it would be cool to maybe show at least a few of the items on the face. Let me know in the comments if you like this format better or if you prefer when I just show what I received in the bag. So I'm going to grab the precision shader brush that is in this side of the brush that they included in the pack, and I'm going to take this sort of medium shade of purple. Like I said, I'm just going to do something really simple so that we can see how they swatch. Oh, that actually has a lot more pigment than I was expecting, to be honest. I don't know why. Something about that white sort of packaging made me think of, I don't know, just like old makeup that I had when I was young. But it's actually going on really nice, a fair amount of pigment, especially with purples. It's tough. Purples are a tough color. Generally, I find purples to be some of the most disappointing colors when you get eyeshadows, especially when there's like a palette in there with like a beautiful purple. It almost never turns out as nice as the way it looks in the thing, in the palette. And this actually is coming on nicer than I had expected. So I just applied that color to my lid. I'm bringing it up into the crease a little bit. I'm just, like I say, doing something really simple so we can see the color. And then I'll probably just do like a major wing to sort of, like cat eye wing to sort of pull it all in. So then I'm going to take the other end of this brush into that lighter shade, and I'm going to use that to sort of blend out that brighter purple. So I'm just blending that up into my sort of highlight color. I used the Time Resist white again on my brow bone. These are really nice, you guys. These are really, really nice eyeshadows. I'm actually really surprised. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. There. I actually really like that a lot. I'm just going to quickly put some liquid liner on, and in order to save time, I'm going to sort of pause this. Okay, so I just popped on a little bit of winged liner to sort of pull that whole look together because I wasn't doing any dark eyeshadow. So I'm just popping open the mascara, and we'll give that a whirl and see how it compares to my favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So this is the Pure Minerals Fully Charged. I like the brush. Let's see what we got here.
It's actually not bad. It definitely doesn't give you that first like punch of volume, but a lot of mascaras don't on the first coat, so we'll give it a whirl here and then we'll go back and do a second coat and see if we can't get a little bit more volume out of it. But it's definitely better than that other rhodial one that came in the last bag. It was like nothing when you put it on your eyelashes. So we'll go in with a second coat and see. I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely, I still like my Lash Paradise better. We'll see how it wears throughout the day, if it flakes or if I get a lot of transfer to the bottom lid. That's always my biggest problem with mascaras, is that they seem to just transfer down. But it looks nice. Like, it's, you know, I think it's probably more lengthening than it is volumizing, but I do like it so far. And then the last thing is the highlighter, and it's 24 Karat Magic is the name of it. So I'm gonna take my highlight brush that I got in last month's Ipsy bag, and we'll just give this a whirl. I've already got blush and bronzer on. I didn't contour today. That's really pretty, guys. What do you think? I like it. It's more subtle as far as the actual highlight goes than the Mary Luminizer that we got in last month's Ipsy bag, but the color is so pretty. It's a little bit deeper. I really like that. So I'm going to just put a little bit here and a little bit here. Yeah, I like that. It's really pretty. So that's it, you guys. That is everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. So let me know in the comments below. Did you get an Ipsy bag? Are you signed up for Ipsy? If so, what came in your bag different than what I got in my bag? I'm always interested. I'm always going on YouTube and checking out like what other people got. Based on your profile and the questions that you answered at the beginning. So let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if you prefer this format better, or if you prefer if I just open the bag and show you what's in it. A little cameo by Charlie. What are you doing, honey? You living your best life? You want to say hi? No. He's just gonna sleep. He's just gonna sleep through the last 2 videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.